Welcome to Case Study Series in Information Technology by Skilled MBA. In June 2017, NotPetya malware infiltrated FedEx's European division, rapidly spreading through their network. Thousands of computers were wiped, crippling core business systems and causing significant shipment delays. Revenue plummeted, customer trust eroded, and operations reverted to manual processes, highlighting the severe impact of cyber attacks on business continuity. In June 2017, the NotPetya malware infiltrated FedEx's European systems, spreading rapidly and wiping thousands of computers. Core business systems were crippled, causing significant shipment delays. This disruption led to a sharp revenue drop and damaged customer trust, forcing operations to revert to manual processes. FedEx's recent acquisition of TNT Express left their systems vulnerable. Integration was incomplete, with differing security protocols and inconsistent protection levels. The fragmented response systems and limited visibility across the merged network infrastructure hindered effective threat detection and containment, exacerbating the impact of the NotPetya attack. NotPetya malware wreaked havoc globally, impacting over 65 countries and causing damages exceeding $10 billion. Its unprecedented speed made containment nearly impossible. Unlike typical ransomware, NotPetya's goal was destruction, not financial gain, leading to severe operational disruptions. FedEx swiftly isolated affected systems, with information technology teams tirelessly working to halt the malware's spread. Operations temporarily shifted to manual processes, ensuring essential services continued. Emergency call centers were set up to keep customers informed. System recovery involved rebuilding network infrastructure with enhanced security, prioritizing critical systems. The cyber attack on FedEx resulted in a financial impact exceeding $1 billion, significantly affecting quarterly earnings. This substantial loss underscores the critical need for robust cybersecurity measures to protect financial stability and operational continuity. FedEx's long-term security transformation involved a comprehensive cyber resilience strategy, including real-time system monitoring and network segmentation. Data governance was enhanced with clearer ownership and accountability frameworks. Leadership alignment integrated cybersecurity into risk planning, establishing executive-level roles. Crisis communication protocols were developed to improve incident response and transparency with stakeholders. FedEx redefined cybersecurity as a company-wide priority, integrating every employee into the security framework. Comprehensive training programs were implemented across all levels. Regular cyber attack simulations tested response readiness quarterly. Security became a mandatory consideration in business decisions, with cybersecurity champions leading the charge. Board-level briefings ensured C-suite engagement in security governance. FedEx leveraged artificial intelligence-powered threat detection, cutting response times by 70% through machine learning. They adopted a zero-trust architecture, ensuring strict verification for all users and devices, eliminating implicit trust. Blockchain integration secured shipment tracking, creating tamper-proof logistics records, enhancing data integrity and security across their network. Logistics companies have significantly increased cybersecurity budgets, with a 64% rise following the FedEx attack. Security has become a board-level concern for 72% of firms. Risk assessments are now conducted 3.2 times more frequently. Since 2017, the industry has invested $18 billion in supply chain cybersecurity improvements. Governments globally have tightened breach notification rules, mandating quicker incident reporting. Logistics is now classified as critical infrastructure, leading to new compliance standards. Public-private partnerships have emerged, fostering collaborative threat intelligence sharing between government and industry, enhancing overall cybersecurity resilience. Cyber risks are business risks, affecting revenue, operations, and reputation. Organizations must respond collectively. Mergers and acquisitions introduce vulnerabilities. Thorough security assessments are crucial. Transparent communication during crises builds trust, while silence exacerbates damage. Major incidents can drive innovation, creating momentum for essential changes. FedEx transitioned from a reactive to a proactive security strategy, focusing on prevention and rapid response. They invested in predictive technologies to simulate attacks, identifying vulnerabilities early. This approach led to 99.8% system uptime, 85% threat detection, and a 15-minute average response time, showcasing their commitment to resilience and security excellence. Organizations must strategically allocate resources, ensuring cybersecurity investments align with business goals. C-suite executives should lead by example, actively participating in cybersecurity strategies and responses. Timely breach disclosure is crucial for maintaining trust with customers and shareholders. Cultivating a security-conscious culture requires balancing vigilance with innovation, fostering an environment where security and creativity coexist. Thank you, and organizations must prioritize cybersecurity investments by assessing potential risks and aligning them with business goals. C-suite executives should lead by example, ensuring robust response strategies during cyberattacks. Timely disclosure of breaches to stakeholders is crucial for maintaining trust. Cultivating a security-conscious culture requires balancing innovation with vigilance, fostering an environment where security is integral to operations.